Stream not loading. First of all, simply tap on the application for some time and tap on the app info icon right over here with the eye symbol. Then scroll down to the storage section. Here you'll find cache and data. Simply tap on both of them, clear cache, and then tap on clear data and tap on delete to confirm your decision. Then simply hit back and tap on force stop at the end and tap on OK. And that's it, guys. Simply close it. Now close all the application from your menu. You can close individually by just swiping up or tap on close all to remove all of your recent at once. Then simply go to your Play Store and search for the application name. Hit search. Now tap on the app icon. Now see if any update is available. If there is an update, there will be an update icon instead of open. But if it shows open, that means your app is already up to date. But for future use, simply make sure that your enable auto update is turned on. And that's it, guys. Now close the application and try reopening the app and you're good to go. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.